Hi guys, Charles here and welcome back to yet another video. So today we are unboxing and doing a quick review on the Oraimo clipper. Now this is new on the Ugandan market and it is called EasyCut, Oraimo EasyCut. The model is OCL-230. Uh, from Oraimo's description, they say it is a sharp cut and also long-lasting power. It's super powerful motor. It's adjustable to zero gap, stainless steel blade, and 150-minute runtime. So let's get to unbox it. Of course, I've already unboxed it because I got this few weeks ago, and we are basically just showing you. So when you buy the Oraimo EasyCut clipper, the first thing you get, of course, is the clipper itself. It's actually very portable and easy to carry. You can just pack it if you're someone who like traveling, you want to cut your hair or your beard, something like that. You can easily pack it in your bag because it's very portable. So this is the first thing that you get. Usually the way it comes, there's some also protector that protects the blade like this. But of course, it's advisable to always oil the blade before using it. So secondly, you also get 4 guide comb with different sizes, different levels. So maybe you want to trim your hair at a certain level, so you get it. There is this level 1, level 2, level 3. There are 4 of them. So that's another thing you get. You also get the user manual where you can read and get all the details. I also saw with some bit of, I think that is the warranty part where you can sign. And then also there is some small brush for cleaning the blade, so that you also get. And then you also get a type C charging cable, which I don't have it right now. I've put it somewhere because, like I told you, I unboxed this thing some few days ago. And then lastly, you get yourself a lubricant for maybe oiling the blade and all those. So that is it basically. Now if you're someone who likes traveling or you are looking to get a blade like this, I think this is something very perfect because one, it's very portable, and then it also runs for many hours. Of course, like you've seen, it runs for over 100 minutes. That means you can shave even more than 3 or 4 people's hair. So that is it. And please note that this is not a sponsored video. I'm basically sharing with you my experience, but generally Oraimo's product has been very good to me. This smartwatch is actually from Oraimo. You can as well check the video if you're looking for a very genuine smartwatch. You can check this because I'm going to also, I have a detailed video about it than this. So lastly, let me just try this thing so that you get to see. Of course, you can adjust it from according to the level, different level. You can see you adjust the blade according to the level you want, and the charging part is here, which is type C, and then you can turn it on from here just by turning like this, and then that's it basically. Thank you so much for watching. If you have any question, feel free to drop it in the comment section, and I'll be more than happy to answer it. And be sure to subscribe, be sure to like this video and share it with your friends and family.